Have you ever wondered how applications collect and interpret blockchain-based data? Well, in the realm of crypto, data is king. It's the lifeblood that fuels the complex ecosystem of blockchain technology. This data, however, isn't just lying around for anyone to pick up. It has to be collected, interpreted, and organized in a way that makes sense to the applications using it. This is where services like the graph come in, acting as intermediaries that bridge the gap between raw data and usable information. But here's the twist. The graph has recently made a significant change in how it operates, moving towards a more decentralized system. The graph, often referred to as the Google of blockchains, has announced the sunsetting of its centralized hosted service. Quite the news, isn't it? But what does it mean and why does it matter? Well, it marks a significant shift towards decentralization. This means that the graph is actively encouraging app developers to migrate to its decentralized network. So, how does this decentralized network function? It's all about the Ethereum-based indexers. These indexers are part of a distributed community that handle data, making blockchain data not only accessible but also organized. But why the move towards decentralization? There are growing concerns about the centralized infrastructure providers that power most major Web3 products. These concerns stem from the fact that these centralized providers could potentially threaten the very promise of decentralization in the crypto industry. The graph's transition is a response to these concerns. It's a move towards a more decentralized future where data is handled by a distributed network rather than a single, centralized entity. This move towards decentralization is considered a major step for the graph and for the crypto industry as a whole. The implications of the graph's move towards a decentralized network are far-reaching. This shift ushers in a new era of data organization and accessibility, offering a more democratic and inclusive approach to blockchain data management. By shifting from a centralized to a decentralized system, the graph is empowering a distributed community of Ethereum-based indexers to handle data. This not only democratizes the data handling process, but also enhances security and resilience against potential threats. Moreover, the planned expansion of the graph's network to Arbitrum, an Ethereum scaling solution, showcases the adaptability and forward-thinking approach of the platform. Arbitrum aims to make Ethereum transactions faster and cheaper, which aligns perfectly with the graph's mission of making blockchain data more accessible. However, this transition isn't without its challenges. Ensuring data accuracy, maintaining network integrity, and managing potential scalability issues are some hurdles that the graph will have to navigate. But these challenges are not insurmountable, and the potential benefits greatly outweigh the difficulties. The success of the graph's transition could set a precedent for other service providers in the crypto industry. The move towards decentralization is not just a trend. It's a necessary step towards a more inclusive and robust digital future. To sum it up, the graph's shift from a centralized to a decentralized system marks a significant change in how applications collect and interpret blockchain data. This transition, driven by a desire to embrace the very essence of blockchain technology, decentralization, relies heavily on Ethereum-based indexers. These indexers form a distributed community, collectively handling data and ensuring that blockchain data is easily accessible and organized. As we've discussed, this move has significant implications for the crypto industry, highlighting the necessity for decentralization, even in the infrastructure providers that power major Web3 products. Stay tuned for more updates on the evolving landscape of blockchain data collection and interpretation. The graph token symbol is GRT. Its all-time high was around $2.90. At the time of this video, the price is 15 cents, and the token is available on Coinbase. If you found this information informative, please consider subscribing to this channel and check out our website at cmgcrypto.com.